Hello, my name is Alihan Sulak. I'm 20 years old and I will turn 21 in March. I live in Istanbul, Turkey, and I'm currently studying law at university. I want to join work and travel program to improve my English, gain international work experience, and learn more about different cultures. As a law student, responsibility, communication, and discipline are very important to me. I also have work experience in Turkey. I worked as a waiter at Big Chefs for about 6 months in 2 different periods. It is a very fast-paced and busy restaurant, so I learned how to stay calm under pressure, communicate clearly with customers, work efficiently as part of a team. It also taught me that nothing is impossible if you stay focused and give your best. I believe this experience will help me adapt quickly to any job in the United States. I'm a friendly, hardworking, and reliable person. I enjoy meeting new people and I'm always open to learning. I feel comfortable speaking English and I especially enjoy customer service roles because I like helping people.